SP ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek's ulayathu hakinong tho khubor ba uniu Khynnah ulalet Ïalam ya Insaphira shakate ka Ïing ba lang nakajingshna kanro bansat kejat namar ba ubit kti Hendrei ula butuj sha bat kumtan lang ya Insaphira Hendrei nakajing tieng ula ban ya daki mau hakate ka jaka uba Vivek ulayathu ru ba haka postmortem report ba pau ba Insaphira ilayap jalop bat amdan kanu ka jing thambor ya kalong ran yeng jong ulayathu ba ya uniu Khynnah lara hakmat ka juvenile court ne ka Ïing bishar ya ki Khynnah ret bat menta udan haka juvenile home haka jing to ket ki pulit kilalap ba udeu tu Khynnah ubalayathu ba uyo ya ka Scorpio ba yong bamdan number plate ka ba yeng hajan kate ka Ïing.
Search was done. The girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m. that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a labourer of a construction site which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And immediately DSP Crime Against Women, OC Ïing, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Negrams where post-mortem examination was conducted and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the post-mortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Ranja police station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by SP City, additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Ïing, and one WPSI from Nongmansong. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. Looking at and investigating in these 3 days and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of the child girl and who is also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The post-mortem report was received today. The post-mortem report says death due to drowning. There is no anti-mortem injuries. There is no sexual assault. The death was 24 to 36 hours from the time post-mortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, and SIT is in the third day of the investigation.